What's up, YouTube? The Chicago beat game, man. Y'all don't rough with the gray on me. With the gray on me. But now, I'm gonna tell y'all, like, man, it's easy with this YouTube stuff. You just gotta post every day, you know? I've been gaming for a long time. I'm 45. You don't look it neither. I really play this. I can really play sports. So I created a channel, right? Is 76 or 75 subscribers. 3 years now. Let me show you. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. I mean, I have licks looking like. Yeah. So hold on. Let me get to it right quick. Okay, so y'all see me right here. My gaming page. It's on the thing. So y'all a little something. I'll go to like go to the whole lifetime. See, I'm at 976 subscribers, and my watch time. Like I've been doing this since what they say, December 12th, 2022, all the way to now. Now this ain't easy. It can be, but if you ain't posting every day, I'm only getting these large amount of views because I'm doing shorts right now. I'm trying to make me a longer video and stuff like that, but y'all see this. I'm almost at 1 million views for a whole 3 years. Editing my own videos, which you really don't have to do. But I had 974. I'm hitting 1,000, but they keep cutting me off. They done deleted 50 subscribers from me. Every time I reach 1,000, they just taking 20 back. I don't understand that part. I can live with it though. Just don't give up. Now y'all see how this go. It just going, 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 going. It's the watch time though. You see, I can't get that watch time. Like it spikes and stuff, but this is years. Years. I just post and post and post, but I had switched into shorts. I don't know why I did that, but who cares? I did anyway. So that's all I'm saying. 3 years of this. 3 years. 3 years. Just so y'all know it ain't fake. 3 years. That's the key. This is what gets everybody stuck. It say 6.8K, but that's a whole year. It ain't for the 30 or 90 days they say. So I'm just trying something over here. But like I say, don't stop, keep going. Ain't nothing in the world make you stop unless you're dead. Take advice from somebody that know what they doing a little bit. I'm in Chicago, so like I say, I've been doing it for years. This about to be my 3rd year. I'm just trying to make it. I ain't monetized or nothing, just trying to make it, y'all. Y'all gotta get on this same stuff. Everybody trying to be a gamer or whatever you can teach. You have to know what you're doing though on the teaching side. You just can't be coming in talking about what you seen and what you heard. If you ain't did it, don't try to do it, man, because it's not gonna work. You're gonna get real fans trying to ask you how you do this and that, and you ain't gonna have no idea. You just go try to go off of what you heard. No. Get outside, go outside, do some stuff, learn some stuff, put it to use, and you'll see how your life change. Now I'm finna go ahead and switch this back around, show y'all. So yeah, you see, I'm just being here. I got my friend gaming controller. You see, it ain't no bugs missing. It's random. But look at my controller. This is what I was whooping everybody with no button. It's crazy. Them two buttons don't work up there. These two, they do not work. And my stick, it goes up when it wants to. So I was whooping people with this controller. Only because I play real life. Like, it's not the controllers and stuff like that. It's just me. I'm good. As you can see, I just be in here. Be in here. This is my little gaming setup. I ain't rich. I ain't dirty like that. It's just a bootleg TV and all. It ain't no mega splash screen. But it's kind of old. It's got a fan on the back. I got a fan on my station. Like I splurge, but I splurge right. Like you're not gonna see us chasing this life. You just gotta know what you're doing. You see, I can really play sports. Like I really play sports. I don't do nothing else but take care of my grandma and try to do my best on that. Well, other than that, I'm back here gaming and doing my other things. I don't know what else to tell nobody, but you can make yourself a living with this stuff. But you gotta be outside doing what you do. You don't want to sit in the house all day and just create, create, create. What you learn? Nothing. You ain't doing nothing. So we gotta get outside, man. If you play sports or whatever you do, you have to be outside, not just play the game. Straight up. That's all I'm saying. I do this stuff like I don't be trying to be better than nobody. I ain't never in my life tried to be better than nobody. I didn't even know we were supposed to do something like that. I thought you only compete in sports. That's why I talk crazy. Or when people talk crazy, I go hard because they really don't play sports. Or they never played it outside like that. They get on the game and try to cheat their way through it. I ain't with all the cheating. I just want to play the game and get it over with. You see, I'm rough on the face. Only because I'm taking care of my grandma. I'm not stressed out. I live good. I'm just doing me. It's not no chasing this life. I just do what I do. No hesitation. I jump for everybody. I treat everybody the same. I don't know what everybody got problems with me, but when you good, that's what comes with this. People just knock you from being good. Shit, I don't know what it is. But I'm gonna continue to do what I do because my dad said never change. My mama was always a hard worker. She always kept it moving. For real. She kept it moving. Let me go show y'all my mom and dad. Let me show y'all my pop and my mom and my whole family. And my pops and then my mom. Yeah, they down. Yeah. So yeah, this is all I'll be doing, man. I ain't trying to knock nothing. I just trying to live my life. I got two brothers, no sisters, no kids. I ain't got no kids. My little brother got a son. My older brother ain't got no kids. He's a mechanic. He work on cars. So I just try to do what it do, man. I don't be trying to brag. I know a lot of athletes brag and stuff, but when I growing up, I just didn't talk. I was shy. I don't do all that stuff. I just want to play the game and get it over with. Win or lose, get it over with. That's all you're supposed to be doing. I don't know what's all this being mad and miserable after the game and all this being mad at other people. You just gotta walk off from stuff, man. Ain't that much stuff in the world be going there all day. You ain't gonna get nowhere going at back and forth. These people miserable and you gotta get away from it. For real. So all I ask for y'all to do is just try to subscribe, help me out. I'm gonna help y'all out. Like we say, we get paid together. I'm trying to teach y'all something. You can teach me something. If you know a little something, teach me. If I know a little something you want the answers to, I'll teach you. But it only works when you networking and team working. You know what I'm saying? We all out here trying to do something. Like my brother, let me go show my brother. My brother out here doing mechanic work. You know, cars. So, let me show y'all a little something. So my brother out there, he doing the cars. Yeah. Yep. My cat's at. Let me see where my cat's at. My cat's ain't out. See. He chilling. He chilling out. I just feel him. So yeah, he just out here. Yeah, so I'm 45 years old and all that good stuff. You see my hat, I ain't got it like that. I don't be on all that flash and fancy. I'm gonna get there, but right now I'm just chilling. See my game plan. I'm just watching my skills. This 24. I ain't ready yet. I got 25. I got that. But all I ask is subscribe, help me out, and we can all eat together. I'm trying to do a tournament. I'm trying to do a bunch of stuff with these sports games because that's all I want to do. You know, everybody have fun, man. Play for $1, $2, $3. As long as we play for something, and not for the free where people talking crazy like they up there. But I'm gonna get y'all straight. So y'all come check me out.